PR52 is made from durable, aircraft-grade aluminium, what makes it very resistant to external factors. In the box, there is a user manual, as well as a safety instruction, written in different languages. It is a single LED torch with 3 different levels of luminosity. A switch is located at the back, and light is focusable. A micro USB cable enables to charge lithium-ion battery. A soft case with Velcro gives an opportunity for safe transportation of the torch and attaching it to a belt. Additionally, the set contains 2 O-ring gaskets as well as a strap.